Shun words. Action, caution, lotion, motion, fraction, station, function, potion, nation, ration. Shun words. Tuition, junction, section, action, traction, addition, subtraction, irrigation, irritation, pollution, exhibition, population, cultivation, decoration, preparation, meditation, evolution, imitation, attention, partition, education, nutrition, detection, sensation, rotation, relation, temptation, operation. Situation, ventilation, stimulation, concentration, vaccination, examination, multiplication, cultivation, civilization, vegetation. So these are shun words. Happy learning. Bye bye.